What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lyrics and Kicks coming back with just another video. Today we are going to be talking about some Yeezy 380s. So sit back, stay tuned, and make sure you like this video. Make sure you like it. Alright YouTube, so we back. I told y'all this is going to be a short and sweet, but you're going to get some on feet. Remember that. So today we're going to be talking about the Yeezy 380s. I see that. My first 380 box, y'all. My first 380 box. I saw the aliens and I was like, oh, I want a pair of those. So went ahead and picked up these. And the official colorway of these is Mist, Mist, Mist. If you guys haven't noticed, the official colorway of all the Yeezys that are dropping are on the box. Mist, Mist, Mist. Desert Sage, Desert Sage, Desert Sage, etc., etc. So, if you ever want to know the name of your shoe, just look at the box. Normal Yeezy box is just the same, it just says 380 on it. But, these are what we came for. Y'all see these? Whew. I mean, look at them. The 380s are an acquired taste, I can say, but I like these a lot and I can't wait to try them on. I just got them in yesterday and I was like, hey, I won't try them on until I do my own foot for you guys. But let's get into this review. So outsole, you have that gum bottom and you have that boost showing, and it also says boost right here. It says it right there on the shoe, on the bottom of the shoe. Got that gum bottom. Then you come up to the midsole, that translucent, and you can see all the boost through that, all that boost, that thick boost. I like the bulkiness of this shoe because with it being bulky like this, I can tell that this shoe is going to be real comfortable. The 350s are already comfortable, so I know this is going to be comfortable too. Then you come up to this prime knit. The whole shoe is prime knit. The whole shoe. And I would say this is like a tan color. And so is that stripe. But this shoe, it gives off like a purple color when you have it in hand. Purple, green, and that tan color. I like it a lot. And then you have all the perforations through. As you can see, perforations through where the stripe is. Normal Yeezy laces, but I feel like putting this shoe on just by looking at this part is going to be pretty hard trying to put this shoe on, but I'm going to get my foot in it regardless. But you have that Adidas Yeezy in there on the insole, normal insole, like all Yeezys. And yeah, man, it's just the 380 Mist. Most people say they don't like the color of these, but I mean, I like the color of them. I mean, it's a different shoe. It's a 380 instead of a 350 coming out. You know what I'm saying? So why not try something new? But this color to me is more of a neutral color, so you can wear it with a lot of things. So I like the color. But, I mean, that's all we got for real, y'all. I mean, I know y'all ready to see these on feet. I know y'all ready to see these on feet. These are nice. So, I'm going to stop jibber-jabbing and just get you some more feet. So, until next time, remember, stay and grind. Make sure nobody tell you can't shine. Your boy Lyrics and Kicks. Yeah, y'all. Peace.
Everybody know it all, but they don't wanna listen. Things not the same, I swear the game done changed again. Hating on you, but they wanna be friends. See them haters, gotta clean up your lens. Truth be told, truth be told, truth be told. Yo, it's kinda crazy what the game is now. Seem like everybody goats and keep a thumper around.
Already know them both, they say it's overrated. He just wanna see his kids, they still pinning his investigation. Yeah, I'm glad I had some patience, cause devastated. My life could have been in certain situations, but Big God saved me. I don't know what's more, truth be told, I'm hella blessed. If you didn't notice, now I'm focused on myself and who pertains to me, they play it foul. And plus the streets ain't got a referee, I keep it on me. I don't do no capping, dog, I keep it on me. Hope I ain't gotta do no capping. Hey, watch the company you keeping. If you gon' do it, cause talking is cheap. Be yourself and say that energy, cause nowadays niggas ain't who they appear to be.
Things not the same, I swear the game done changed again. Hating on you, but they wanna be friends. See them haters, gotta clean off your lens.